In 5 minutes, you're going to find out the need-to-know info for 12-mark questions in Paper 2 IGCSE Business Studies. And remember, this is updated for 2020. We're going to go through the updated exam technique step by step with an example from March 2020 so you can follow the most effective and efficient method to gaining top marks. And stay tuned for pro tips in gaining an A star in IGCSE Business. With 12-mark questions, application is absolutely crucial. It can be helpful to have a mental checklist of questions you might ask in every case study. With Bright Windows from March 2020, the owner Bob is a sole trader. It's a small business cleaning windows with 2 part-time employees, and his objective is to get more regular customers to grow his customer base. We will look at 3B, where we must consider 3 different leadership styles. For each leadership style, the updated 2020 mark scheme asks for a detailed discussion in context. But what does this mean? Essentially, we need 4 vital ingredients to secure top marks: knowledge and understanding, application, analysis, and further analysis. We repeat this process for the other leadership styles. The recommendation requires the 3 R's: a reasoned recommendation in context and rejection of the alternatives. So let's have a look at how this is done. What's absolutely critical for success is ensuring your answer is focused on which leadership style will work best for Bob's window cleaning business. So keep referring to information from his business throughout your answer. You can see from this finished A-star answer, with application highlighted, how focused a top answer is on Bob's Bright Windows throughout the answer. For this reason, I've put the extract from Bright Windows at the top of each slide as we answer this question, and a picture of Bob to remind you to stay focused on his business. So we'll start with autocratic. We need to show knowledge and understanding of the leadership style in Bright Windows. Autocratic leadership is where Bob makes all the decisions without consultation, and communication is one way with employees, having no opportunity to comment or take part in any decisions about the cleaning services. And then explain the impact for analysis, which can be demotivating. To make sure we get all the marks, we need to take the analysis one step further. A good way of doing this is by using connectives like "this means that" or "this will lead to." In this case, demotivation will lead to lower profits. To cover all bases, this answer also gives an advantage of autocratic management. A-star answers do require balance, so giving another point of view. Next, democratic. We show knowledge and understanding of the leadership style in Bright Windows and its impact. Then follow up by taking the analysis one step further. For laissez-faire, it's important to clearly explain why it's different from democratic, so the employees have much more freedom to carry out tasks as they choose. With this one, the further analysis is giving another point of view, and again adding balance to the discussion. To download this A-star 12-mark answer and loads more like it, head to caiebbusiness.com or click on the link in the description. If you really want to take your learning to the next level, check out our interactive online IGCSE course. It's free and available now. So now it's time for the hardest part, the dreaded evaluation. One trap which many students fall into with evaluation is just repeating the same information from the earlier parts of the answer in a summary. You must make a reasoned recommendation based on the evidence in our answer and in Bright Windows which leadership style is the best to use. A good way of doing this is to choose the leadership style which is most likely to help Bob meet his objectives. In this A-star answer, the student focuses on how democratic leadership will positively impact Bright Windows to improve its reputation and increase Bright Windows' customer base. Then they reject the alternatives by explaining how they are not as suitable as democratic management. Pro tip 1. Time management. If you're running short of time, skip one of the explanations and go straight to your recommendation. You can still get 9 or 10 marks if you explain factors and then complete a well-justified recommendation. Pro tip 2. Use connectives to access top analysis. Remember to take your analysis one step further by using phrases like "this means that," or "this will lead to," or "this will positively impact the business by." These connective phrases are the gateway to the higher level marks. Pro tip 3. Recommendation. Your recommendation is worth 4 marks, a third of the answer. So spend a bit of time to think through which choice would be best based on the information in the case study. Use the 3 R's: reasoned, recommendation and context, and rejection. And don't forget, no repetition. To check out a tutorial dedicated to evaluation at IGCSE, click here. And for a tutorial dedicated to leadership styles at IGCSE, click over here. If you've enjoyed the video, share the love, give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe for weekly videos to drive you to success in business, IGCSE and A-level. And if you really want to take your learning to the next level, head to caiEbusiness.com. See you next time.